Forgotten username recovery failed on Chime App Fix. If you're struggling to recover your Chime username, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping key verification steps. You won't believe how quickly you can regain access if you follow the correct process. Step 1. Open the Chime app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Chime will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk and promotions. Recovery emails often land in unexpected folders, and missing them is one of the main reasons people fail to recover their accounts quickly. Avoid sending multiple requests in a short period, as this may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather important verification information like your full name, date of birth, and any recent account activity. Contact Chime support directly with these details for faster assistance. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, helping prevent future login issues. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Chime account quickly and safely. Remember, proper verification and secure credential management are key to keeping your financial information protected and accessible.